Helix.
When we talk about learning innovation technology, I think many of us, including myself, may immediately jump to the LMS. But talk about why you think the conversation needs to get broader than that and how we all need to learn a new acronym, NGDLE.
NGDLE is an acronym for Next Generation Digital Learning Environment. We have an ecosystem here. The LMS is just one piece. It can vary from campus to campus, but it focuses on interoperability, personalization, analytics, advising and learning assessment, collaboration, accessibility and universal design. And all of this has students at the center.
Can you give us a high-level overview of Duke's KITS project and your strategy for thinking about the broader learning ecosystem on campus?
We've had an LMS for a long time at Duke, but we've also had a certain number of faculty, maybe 30% or so, who want to use tools other than the LMS. That was a problem that we wanted to solve with KITS. We were hearing every year from students that there's so many tools, it's hard for me to find the next thing that I need to do for any given course, because faculty are using the LMS in different ways and they're using different tools, which they should be. Their teaching needs are unique and we want them to do that, but at the same time, we need to make it easy for students to navigate. So that was one of the problems that we solved. Another problem that we solved is that we created an app store through KITS that allows faculty to more easily find the right tool for their teaching need. And with that being said, we are hoping that people will pilot KITS. We are going to open source the code.